day that God has given me. I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Hey guys, and the Han is back with yet another video. Tomorrow saying service. Thank you so much guys for returning. I really appreciate you guys. Welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do, honey, like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more. So guys, today I am at a retail center in Sebuso to get a medication at the pharmacy. So I need allergic syrup, and then something for heat rash, and then nama gin pain. I'm not feeling well guys. I have pains, so maybe I will go to ShopRite. I don't know, but I don't need anything from ShopRite, but yeah, I will. So yeah, we will see, man. And guys, I am opening this vlog right here right now. All right, so so let me just go to Rage and check what's inside in particular in Rage.
Like this, only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did well by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I don't need no shadow. I need people and 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 shadow. I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow.
Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mrs. Kaula's YouTube. Thank you. Thank you. I feel like enjoying. How can you guys see one? Thank you. Sharp.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep a deep bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong 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 on a music. Low key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love you, see no way to believe I do the word I'm seeing. Hold you for life.
So guys, I am so happy, man. I met one of my subscribers, one of the people Abang Bugelago. Thank you so much, man. You know, some people are the sweetest, you know. When you want to, they are the sweetest. They are so sweet. So man, thank you so much. To my lady, thank you so much. Thank you so much for what you did, and I really appreciate you, man. Yo, I am so happy, guys, because because I wasn't aware. I wasn't aware that you guys, it actually means that we are growing. We are growing, you know, and I do see the growth, so I am so grateful. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I appreciate you all, honestly. Yeah, so let's go back home to cook, but I'm not gonna cook with you guys. I would love to someday, just not today. Later.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, every single moment. Hold you for life.
I'm forever your lady. I'll be forever your baby. There ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You are, you are, you are. You are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized, got a lifeline. God, you are the lifeline. God, you are the lifeline. God, you are the lifeline. Yeah, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me.
So, no more broken hearts, no more. No more broken, no more broken, no more broken hearts. Yeah. Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving Esther, but she fed up. Yeah, yeah. Shorty giving Esther. Shorty giving Esther. Shorty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Shawty giving Esther. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends peer pressure. When it's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you it's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend. But somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like Geppetto. Don't put your faith in no fellow. They poking at you with their nose when they tell you it ain't in your cause, but God aligning the stars. You deserve a lot like a line of cars. Everything you want already yours. Yeah. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. It's your season, only if you mean it. Shawty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits.
Road to Jimiston Katlehong headquarters.
Your love is intimate, knows me fully and still closely holds. Your plan is intricate, God can do. Come see it firsthand, His promises are true. And I need Him each moment. I have come to know the peace that He bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of
Itablo in majas.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down.
The world's cold, I know, and your heart's no different. Who you want, don't want you, and who you miss, don't miss you. You know.
Good morning. Ooh. Top of the morning, guys. Top of the morning. How are you all doing? I hope you guys slept well. I slept well in a tent. So, guys, today it's raining and then it's cold. We just woke up. And honey, it's very cold outside. I'm even afraid to go outside because I don't wanna get the cold, yabo. But okay, a girl gotta do what she gotta do. Later I am going to march with the band. I don't know what's so much under Marisolinas. Kumakaza, yo. But yeah, it is what it is. Yeah. I just came to update you guys. Just came to update you. Anyway. Sayunyatsela matimoni. Yenkosi yami sizawanyatsela. Timoni. Yenkosi yami sizawanyatsela. Guys, we'll talk to you later, man. We'll talk to you later. We'll talk to you definitely. I am gonna spend my day with you. I don't know, because if I'm not power bank, I don't know, but I will make a plan. I will make a plan because, honey, I want to update you with everything, right? Correct. So guys, there's nothing much, man. I just came to say hi, just to show face. The growth, ooh, man, it's so great. I am doing so great. We are doing so great, family. Thank you so much for your support.
I'm up and down like a pogo, hands up like a pogo. Your love is divine, it never subsides. Seen through creative manifestation.
Times I couldn't get my mind right. Drowning in my tears at night. Haunted by the limelight. Ooh, you are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find.
Hi, beautiful family, and the Hunt is back, guys. So we are ready. Much with the band, but yeah, honey, it's raining. I don't know if I'll be able to. Baba is camera.
Bye, camera.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Remember times you were my only friend. Now it's me and you, there is no end. And I'm forever your lady. I'll be forever your baby. There ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You are, you are, you are. You are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I found you. I forgot a lifetime.
I'm good. My cutie cute, my cutie cute.
thou art with me.
So, no more broken hearts, no more. No more broken, no more broken, no more broken hearts. Yeah. Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn.
Alright.
They can never take what's yours.
Oh, wow.
It's already written, baby, girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Yeah. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip.
I need truth, mama.
Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Shorty giving us the. Don't you let your down days fester. Don't you let your friends peer pressure. When it's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you what's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend. But somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like your pedal. Don't put your faith in no fellow. They poking at you with their nose when they tell you it ain't in your cause, but God aligning the stars. You deserve a lot like a line of cards. Everything you want already yours. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. It's your season. Only if you mean it. Shawty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl.
This looks yummy.
Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits.
So guys, we've come to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Your support is appreciated. Please like, comment and subscribe. Do not forget to share with your family and friends. See you on the next one. Bye.
This moment is the day that the Lord